Howdy Aggies, my name is Michelle Costa and I'm an engineering student in the mechanical engineering department.
Howdy, I'm Johanna El Taib. I'm a sophomore at mechanical engineering in Texas A&M University. The Motus cube was many of the parts were 3D printed. The toy is a cube that contained mazes on each layer. It had a path or collection of paths beside multiple layers of the maze. It begins typically from the entrance to a goal, and there are small metal pole that goes through this path from the entrance to other layers. If the person gets to the message in layer 3 and 5, then the person completes the goal of the game. To make these toys work, people must turn or rotate the cube to make the pole move through the labyrinth path from the entrance until the goal, which are the messages. The made cube can be moved by hand in different directions. The person using the product must move the layers to see the inside layer that contain additional labyrinth to keep playing.
As you can see, we have 10 different labyrinths and 7 parts or layers in total. Each of the parts have holes, so the little ball can travel through them. As you can see to the side part, we have holes and we have straight cut parts. It has straight cut parts that are like rectangles and like holes. These parts are going to be used to assemble the parts together. And as you can see, also it has magnets. We have two types of parts. We have the ones that can slide. It has rectangles. And we have the parts that can rotate. It has little cylinders strutted from the parts. As you can see in here, there's the start part. From here the ball starts. And we use the other side, which has the same straight cut parts, but the other way around. And that's how we fit them together. And we have here the cube, the monster cube. The little ball can go to the labyrinth outside and inside. And if the ball goes to the here message in one of the parts, the person wins the game. As you can see, the magnets are not really perfect. They are not very strong, so we are planning on replacing them with stronger ones. And also you can see that we have little problems here with the glue. Since it's really strong, it burned a little bit the glass. I hope you like our toy. It's called Motus Cube. Thank you and gig out.